Our mini coaxial twin-rotor helicopter is one of the best coaxial UAVs in the world. The key features including small size and portable. The blades are foldable and its tripod design, easy to carry and storage. Simple manipulation. One-click autonomous takeoff and landing. The maximum speed is up to 80 kilometers per hour. Low noise, it's quiet at 30 meters distance. Wind resistance is level 6. The high-performance AI module and dynamical system makes it work intelligently, continuously, and stably. The 1080p high-definition ultra-wide-angle FPV gimbal can do real-time image transmission. There's signal relay mode optional, with diverse mounts. This UAV is widely applied in field rescue, hostage rescue, forests firefighting, and for tactical use which can take off by hand, or ground barrel catapult. One ground station can control multiple drones and organize the collaborative multi-drone systems. The built-in AI will do the recognition, target locking automatically, and launch to attack the target suicidally.